Hi, I'm Doug McDougall. I'm General Manager at Sisley Honda. And if you want the Darth Vader of SUVs, we got it right here at Sisley Honda. We've got a 2019 RDX A Spec. Words can't even describe this car, the lines on it. This car is black, but it's got the rare red leather interior accents. We'll get to that in a sec. This vehicle is one owner, accident free. I've had a chance to look around the car. I don't see anything that comes to my attention at all. The condition of this thing is absolutely stunning. It only has 27,000 kilometers on it, and I'm just going to walk around it and show you exactly what this vehicle is about. We're going to scan in on the tires. You'll notice there's the wear bar way down inside there. The tires are about as meaty as you could get. I'm just going to pop the hood and I'll show you what it's like under it. Got the hood open. Acuras are a little bit have a little bit more to them than Hondas. This one has struts, hydraulic struts under the hood. You'll notice under here it's all original. It's perfect. It's as nice a vehicle as you're going to find. Taking a look at the front, I see LED headlights, LED fog lights. Very mean looking. I think you would intimidate a lot of people coming up behind them with this vehicle. We're just going to scan down the side of the car. It's got the A-Spec badging on the side of the fender. You'll notice the smoked charcoal wheels on the four corners of it. Again, I don't see any dents, any scratches, nothing to worry about. If you see anything on the camera, believe me, it's just dirt. We're filming this in the morning. We just brought the car in, so it sat outside overnight. I'm just going to open the passenger door here, and you can see that gorgeous red leather interior. It's also got red stitching, accent stitching on the side of the door. Really, really gorgeous vehicle. Piano black trim on the vents and in the center console. They don't come nicer than this. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's got polished aluminum accents also. This is the back seat. Again, the red interior carries through into the back. Gorgeous vehicle. We'll just open the back here. It's got a power tailgate. Stunning in the back here. Tons of room to put your things. Being an Acura, you'll notice that no metal is showing at all. Everything is covered. It's beautifully finished back here. That's what makes it an Acura. Just those extra little touches that go on it. Brutally mean looking dual exhaust out back. I'm just going to show you how the power tailgate works. You just push that button down, it goes. This thing has everything in it. It has power everything. Power moonroof, tailgate. Actually, this one has a panoramic roof. So it's got a great big one that opens into the back. Navigation, power seats, power everything, memory seats. There isn't really anything lacking in this vehicle at all. It's got it all. I was going to say come on down and see this thing, but that's why we're doing this video. We can sell this vehicle 100% touchless. We do everything by email and courier, and right down to where we flatbed the vehicle right to your driveway. Our customers are actually really liking this. So if you want to make an offer on this, we're open to offers. We're here to do business, folks. This one you will love. I would buy it.